Okay, may 2 points na si ate. Okay, another round. Okay, kung sino maka 5 points na yung winner ha. Okay, may ilang points ka na, dalawa. Okay, hands up. Ready? Pink! Magaling si ate! Okay, ganito ka. Para mabilis. Come here, yan. Okay, para mabilis. Orange! Happy. Okay, color. Red! Oh, okay. Up here. Okay. Our winner this morning is si Ate Diana. So, kay winner siya, bibigyan natin siya ng 5 laps and congratulations. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Congratulations. And of course,